Hi guys, in front of me is HMD XR21 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open a new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. So this is the panel that we need to open. Now select settings, pick languages, mark add keyboard, select the one that you want to apply. You can either scroll till you find it or you can select search area and provide the language here. Tap on done, and now let's go back. As you can see, by tapping on this word icon you can switch between languages. Okay, so it should work. Let me do it one more time. Okay, so let's try to remove one more unnecessary language, but still it's not working as it should. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, so let me switch, not like this, let me switch messages off. Now let's open it again, start chat, and yeah, and now it is working. So sometimes it may take a bit longer. Once you have one language only, let me just remove unnecessary one, and this word icon disappears. Yep, it's no longer here, and then you've got access to one language. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.